We are just hours away from beginning a new year. The year 2025 carries the vibration of the number 9 due to the sum of its digits. It is the number of completion and transcendence, a preparation for a new life cycle. It represents wisdom, kindness, compassion, and connection with the divine spirit. This number symbolizes spiritual awakening and personal growth through change. In Kabbalah, 9 completes the return to oneness, where another stage or level begins, forming a spiral that never ends. That is why it's considered an initiatory number. Whoever goes through it is preparing for change. 2025 brings challenges and great opportunities. By closing and letting go of what limits you, you can redefine who you are, reconnect with your creativity, and make room for a personal rebirth. From the perspective of numerology, the number 9 brings a powerful invitation in 2025 to close cycles, release what no longer serves you, and prepare for a rebirth. This year holds the vibration of conclusion and pushes you toward a period of profound transformation, both materially and spiritually. Dear brothers and sisters, this 2025 we will face challenges, which implies confronting our own shadows. During this year 9, one of the biggest challenges will be letting go. Although it sounds simple, sometimes it will lead us to confront parts of ourselves we would rather avoid. Old wounds might resurface, strained relationships will be tested, and you may feel the need to review your past choices. You could feel at an emotional crossroads where it is crucial to decide whether you continue clinging to what has limited you or choose to let it all go, allowing the new to come in. Resistance to change will be one of the greatest enemies, and you will find yourself struggling with a need for control. Moreover, 9 is also the number of service, so you may face dilemmas about how to balance your own growth with your desire to help others. We will also have opportunities, the alchemy of closure and renewal. This 2025 brings great opportunities. Letting go can be painful, but it is the first step toward a total renewal. This is the year in which you can, if you allow it, redefine who you are and what you want in your life. Cycles that end are not final. They are the threshold to something much greater and more enriched. We will have the chance to free ourselves from emotional and mental burdens that have hindered our progress for too long. In 2025, we have the opportunity to practice compassion toward ourselves. By recognizing what we have experienced, we can forgive ourselves and forgive others. Additionally, the year 9 opens doors to greater spiritual wisdom, allowing us to see our past experiences in a different, more compassionate, and liberating light. This number also invites us to creativity and artistic expression. If you feel there is something within you that needs to be expressed through art, writing, or any creative form, this is the perfect year to bring it to life. By letting go of the old, you make room for the new to flow more naturally, allowing your creativity to arise without restrictions. The year 2025 is a transformative year for each of us. We will discover a more authentic and free version of ourselves. Every step brings us closer to our true essence and a life more aligned with who we really are. It will ultimately mark the start of a cleansing and purification process after a deep internal journey during 2024. Only through this process can a period of release, reflection, and transformation begin, enabling us to commence new stages in our lives. The number 9 is a profoundly spiritual number, focused on altruism, wisdom, and the quest for our highest purpose, our personal mission, and our path. These are times of spiritual healing, emotional cleansing, opening our eyes and freeing ourselves from negative memories. Identifying people who may have done us harm. On a collective level, it is a time to prepare not just for our own well-being, but also for that of others. It is a collective mindset, one that is connected to the energy of the Supreme God and spirituality. To wrap up this broad topic, if the energy of 2025 could speak, it would say, just do what you feel according to your intuition and let go of everything else. Begin to believe more in yourself. Awaken your self-love and appreciate your worth. Define what is meant for your life and what is not. I invite you to practice these decrees. I am balanced union. I release old relationships and beliefs, allowing new, authentic connections to flourish with love and compassion in my life. I am completion and rebirth. I close each chapter of my life with gratitude, opening myself up to new possibilities. Here and now, I decree that 2025 will be a year of great change and abundant blessings, a year of transformation, personal and spiritual growth, filled with opportunities and success, prosperity, well-being, and abundance. So it is done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beloved brother, each of us receives revelations according to our state of consciousness. For many, 2024 brought great revelations, internal, external, personal, and quantum. For others, not so much. Everyone has their own timing and process. No one is better. We're simply experiencing individual, very personal states of consciousness. Don't worry. These revelations will come to you at the perfect time. In the meantime, try to observe what comes your way without judging whether it's too much or too little. Just become aware and be thankful. Remember, we are here to live an experience, not just to survive it. A very special thank you to each of the administrators of the spiritual groups with whom I worked during this period of 2024, and to each of you, beloved soul brothers, family members, friends, and followers of this space for your presence and kind comments. May this new year, 2025, bless you with health, wealth, and infinite happiness. May it grant you the wisdom to learn from your mistakes, the strength to overcome obstacles, and the confidence to reach your goals. May you experience plenty of abundance, inner peace, and prosperity all 365 days for you and your family. Happy 2025. I embrace you with great love. I'm Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light in service of humanity and the enlightenment of the new earth. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.